Every spring, gardeners hope for rich soil, but often find hard, lifeless dirt. We buy bags of perfect soil or compost, haul them home, and hope for better results. But bagged soil is a quick fix, expensive, heavy, and often sterile. Real living soil is full of worms, fungi, and billions of microbes, nature's true soil builders. Bagged compost gives a boost, but doesn't create a lasting ecosystem. Many gardeners get stuck in a cycle of adding amendments, never truly improving their soil. We treat the symptom, not the cause, and think composting is a separate, complicated chore. But what if you could skip the compost pile and build incredible soil right in your garden bed? The Amish have mastered this, using a method that layers materials directly in the bed. Less labor, smarter results. Let's see how you can turn your garden into its own living compost system. The Amish build soil by layering raw, organic materials, no finished compost needed. Think of it as garden lasagna, straw, leaves, wood shavings, and kitchen scraps stacked right in the bed. This mimics nature, like a forest floor, where leaves and twigs decompose in place, creating rich humus. Layering creates air pockets for drainage and root growth, unlike heavy, compacted soil. Browns like straw and leaves provide long-lasting carbon. Greens like grass clippings and veggie scraps add quick nutrients. As these layers break down, they feed your plants all season, acting as a slow-release fertilizer. This method builds a self-sustaining soil food web, reducing the need for constant amendments. Instead of buying and hauling, you're working with nature's own system. Your garden bed becomes a living, improving ecosystem year after year. It's simple, efficient, and incredibly effective. Here's how to build your own layered bed. Start in the fall for best results. Lay cardboard at the bottom of your raised bed. It blocks weeds and adds carbon as it breaks down. Next, add a thick layer of carbon-rich browns, straw, shredded leaves, or wood shavings. This layer creates air pockets and holds moisture, fueling soil microbes. Now add a few inches of your own native soil. Yes, even if it's not perfect. Native soil brings in local microbes and minerals, jump-starting decomposition. Add a layer of greens if you have them. Kitspot amu, ampai dustin en kiber dakbai, then by bot kitsdaxmi, by chinchin mindin, scraps, no meat or dairy, grass clippings or coffee grounds, top with another layer of native soil or finished compost, water thoroughly to start the breakdown process. That's it, your bed is ready to transform over winter. You've set up a soil factory that works while you rest. Let's see what happens next. Over winter, nature takes over. Moisture, microbes, and earthworms break down your layers. By spring, your bed is filled with dark, crumbly living soil, far better than anything from a bag. This soil holds water, resists disease, and supports strong plant roots. Each year, just add more organic matter on top to keep the system thriving. You're not just gardening, you're farming soil, building a resilient ecosystem. No more endless hauling or expensive amendments. This fall, gather leaves and straw, and start layering. Let nature do the work, and enjoy a healthier, more productive garden. Trust the process. Your best soil is just a season away. Partner with nature, and watch your garden thrive.